Alright, so further on we go. There's one more building left. I know there's that little garden.
What?
I know there's that little garden. But this next room is my challenge.
Wait, you didn't go all the way through?
Yeah, because I got nervous, like, at the top room. I got most of the way. I wonder if my friend is working today there. I made a friend from there.
Ah. You should ask him to come with you.
Well, he was working back down there. But yeah, shout out to Connor and I always remember one name. I can't remember the second name. But she was cool. She had the cat that looks like mine. And she said half Bengal. See? She said it. She said half Bengal. Proves my point. She looks like a half Bengal. But anyways. Okay, look at this. And this next room is really cool. But also creepy. Holy Jesus. I didn't see that. Yeah, I didn't realize what was going on.
I just saw some,
Sorry about that, guys. See, this part isn't bad. It's what's up ahead. Oh, this was in the bottom.
Oh, so they drew paintings and stuff.
Yeah.
On the different exhibits.
It was different last time I was here. It looked like ghosts.
Oh, now these are like of the sky.
What's that?
These are like other stuff around here.
Look at that.
Oh, these are past exhibits. I remember this.
Oh, these are past ones. I've seen that, but I don't know where that one is at.
That was in the basement.
Oh, okay. That's like what they were creating, or?
That's what they created. I remember that one. I think. I think that was the last one.
I like the basement. This time, it's a lot more like warmer and friendlier.
I feel like I kind of remember this one.
Yeah, that's the one that like. I think that was in the third floor.
Third building, you mean?
We did a video in there. Yeah, we did that one.
Oh, I remember this one. I know the mom to this one.
Oh, that one? What was it?
It was like a submarine kind of thing.
Huh. Now they always have this one. What is?
This.
What is the concept about?
Like it's like a middle mattress.
Oh.
You have so much room, and then.
Bright and sunshiny in here. Okay, you can go up first in this room.
I have no idea what this is.
I don't know, it just gives me a weird feeling. Oh.
Oh wow, what's this?
Oh, okay.
What's so creepy about this?
That.
What?
Oh, I made it. Oh, no. I made it. I feel okay now.
Sean, stop pushing.
You alright?
There was water in there.
Oh yeah, I saw the handrails. Oh, pick that. We should pick that up.
What?
So I can figure out what it's about.
Oh. Tempest Fusion. Hey.
Ha ha ha.
I'm not reading this whole thing for you. I'm gonna keep this so we can read what it's about, but
Yeah, we can read it
we
later.
have like part 2 of like synopsising it or something.
The synopsis of the room that creeped me out.